Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford Focus. Stock number is 18M328A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, leather interior. Up top, you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.